Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys we'll be working on a Dodge, Jeep or Chrysler vehicle, and what we'll show you guys how to relearn, calibrate, crankshaft position sensor or camshaft position sensor guys. Let us show you how to do that now. This one will be for pretty much almost any Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicle guys. Doesn't matter, diesel, gas, truck, car, SUV. The procedure will be about the same and it will work on so many cars. So we have that 2012 Dodge Journey. We did a camshaft sensor replacement, and let me show you now what you need to do. First, we need to go ahead, turn the ignition on like that. Okay, ignition is on. You can see engine is not running. We'll be using here guys MaxCCs. This is amazing scanner guys, very good thing. Dealer level equipment, and it works on almost any car you can think of. Okay, you can find it guys listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Now, we'll go click VIN, auto detect. What it will do, it will decode the VIN and tell us which vehicle we have, so we don't have to manually select those things. Perfect. Now, it's going to tell 2012 Dodge Journey. Next, what do we need to do? We need to select diagnosis, control unit, powertrain, ECM. This is the engine computer, engine control module. Now we're going to go under special function here, special function, and let me show you what we need to do. Right here guys, you're going to see, cam, crank, relearn. Okay, that's camshaft, crankshaft position sensor relearn. Now, you should use this function anytime a repair has been made that needs the cam and the crank relationship to be relearned. This is if you put new sensors, if you put new timing chain, anything guys, you need to perform that function, pretty much. So, setting cam up, please start the engine. So, we're going to start the engine. It does everything on its own. But now, check it out. We need to guys, reach 70 degrees temperature. 70 Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit. Which in our case guys, we need to bring it to that temperature so we can perform the test. So I went to live data and we can see that the engine temperature is 70 right now, or 158 Fahrenheit on the dash. So that's great. I'm going to wait until it hits 71. Let me rev it up just a couple times. 71. So we'll exit the live function and we're going to go to special function again, and we're going to click cam, crank, relearn. So if we click OK, here engine fails to be running. Now what do we guys need to do now? You need to go ahead, turn the car off. So we're going to walk you through possible mistakes as well. Now click that. And we do not have ignition on. So we need to make sure we turn the ignition on. You can see ignition needs to be on, engine off. You should use this function, blah blah blah, we already did that. Start, please start your engine. We started it. From that point on, it's going to relearn itself. Cam, crank, relearn. Complete it. We click OK, and it's ready guys. It just took a couple seconds, but you can see you have to reach 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit. Ours is at 168 now, and as you can see everything works great. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos. Hopefully we can save you quite a bit of money, and see you guys next time.